Okay, this is the phone. I'm coming to replace the LCD. Okay. The first thing you have to hit the phone a bit, right on. Okay, you have to hit it at least for 10 to 15 minutes. If you have the heater at home, you just try to open it. This one is a rubber, it's not a glass, but you have to very be careful so you don't scratch the phone. Okay. But when you hit it, make it more easy for it to open. Okay. Just use if you have a heater machine, you can use this machine, just hit it very nice, make it more easy for you to open it because there's a screw under this side. You need to open this one also to remove the screw before you can take out the back cover. So you make sure you hit it a bit like this, hit here all everywhere so that the glue become a weak a bit. If you don't have the heater at home, you can still try to open it, but just do it slowly because it's not a glass, it's a rubber. Okay. After you hit it a bit like this, you try to open this side first to remove the screw. Make sure you put the to the side, pencil the side very well, and try to raise this cover up. Okay, you sit up. You can hold it here and also pull it because it's not a glass. Okay, take it out. Then take out the one screw inside there first. Okay, after you remove the one screw there. Okay, then you can open the side. After hit it a bit, if you have this out, you can still try to open it because it's not a glass. Okay, open it right now. Remove the back cover. Okay, there are so many screws. You have to take out all the screws here. Make sure you take out all the screw here. Okay. After you take out all the screw, okay, you move this cover on top. This slowly. Do one side. This going the battery. Okay, and this going the LCD cable. This one here. This is the LCD cable. Okay, then you remove this plastic to take out the battery. Remove this one also like this. Okay, then you hold this one to pull the battery. Just try to pull the battery like this slowly. Okay. And so remove this plastic nice. You pull it slowly, don't force to do it, just pull it slowly like this until it come out. Slowly, then you remove it. Put it one side. Okay, then you remove the plastic from this side to take out the LCD connector. Okay, then you remove the connector. Then if you have a heat machine, you can heat it for 10 to 15 so you can open the LCD very easy. If you have a heat machine at home, just force to open it because you don't need this LCD anymore. But it's a bit hard, you have to very force to open it. After you heat it for 10 to 15 minutes, it make it more easy for you to open. If you have the heater at home, just force to open it. Just put it just like this. Just force to open it. You don't have no option. You have to just take out this LCD. It's a bit hard, but just do it slowly. You take out the LCD. Open it. It's hard a bit, but just open it. You have nothing to do with this LCD anymore, so just remove it. Be careful for the glass. Okay. You have many, very hard glue, so you just open it. Nothing to scared about because you don't need this LCD anymore. Just be careful for your hand. Just open it, remove it. Take it out. Okay. Then you clean all the glue right around, remove all the small glass, clean it very nice so the other glue can fix perfectly. After I clean all the glue right around the phone, okay, before you put the new glue and fix the LCD, make sure you test the LCD first and see that the LCD is okay before you put the glue and fix it. Because sometimes even the new LCD is not okay. Okay, so now you put the glue right around the phone. Make sure you put it at the edge, very nice. Okay, don't put on top of the sensor, don't put on top of the speaker, don't put on top of the front camera. Make sure you avoid all the sensor or don't put there so that the phone will not malfunction. Just make sure you put it right around the phone very nice like this at the edge. It is very nice right around. Okay, after you put the glue right around, okay, now you need to fix the LCD. Make sure you take out this plastic. Okay, and make sure you don't touch this side with your naked hands with the front camera, this camera here, so that the fingerprint will not malfunction. Okay, just make sure you watch perfectly and see if there's any other plastic to take out. You take out. Okay, now you need to pass this LCD cable. You need to pass it here, pass it there, very nice. Okay, and put the cable like this, and make sure you put the LCD very straight, don't bend it. Close it properly, very nice, like this. Okay, then you fix back the LCD connector. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in. Don't force to press it in if you don't have the right position. Okay, press it in very nice. Then you make way for the battery to rest like this. Then you take out this plastic, put it back very straight so you can put the battery. Make sure you open the plastic very nice. After I fix the LCD very nice, then I put the battery back. Make sure you fix the battery terminal first before you put the battery down so you don't lose the position of the battery. Okay, put back all this plastic, close them back properly so that the back cover will close very nice. Okay, put back this cover. Make sure you fix all the clips right around before you start putting the screws. So there's clip right around. Okay, now you replace all the screw you take out back, so many screw. Make sure you place all the screw. Okay, don't leave any screw. Make sure you place all the screw. Okay, after you place all the screw right around the phone, okay, now you put the glue right around. Just put it right around very nice. Don't put on top of the screw. Okay, put it right around very nice like this. After I put the glue right around, then you put the cover very straight. Don't bend it. Very straight, very nice like this. Okay, then you place back the one screw inside here. Okay, and you put a bit glue inside there also, a bit right around. Okay, then you put back the cover. Make sure you put it very straight according to the line. Make sure you see the spelling. Make sure you put it very straight like that. Don't bend it. Close it like this. Okay, then if you have a rubber light, you can put at least for 30 minutes so the glue becomes dry before you take it out. If you have a rubber light, you can still use your tape. Just tape it for 30 minutes so the back cover and the skin will rest properly before it gets dry. Okay, put at the top here also. Okay, then on the phone to test the LCD. As you can see, the logo already showed that the LCD is okay. Everything is good. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.